What's an unsolved mystery that's actually super easy to explain, but nobody likes to say it out loud because the real answer is just boring? Spontaneous human combustion. This mystery blew up during the era when everybody smoked and cheap, ultra flammable furniture was everywhere. People passed out with a cigarette, stuff caught fire, and voila, tabloid headlines about humans bursting into flames. If it were real, we'd have endless phone videos by now. But no. Every case always has a very ordinary cause. I used to be terrified of bursting into flames as a kid. Totally forgot about that until this thread brought it up. Michael Rockefeller. No, he didn't join some secret tribe or get turned into jungle stew. The last time anyone saw him, he was swimming nearly 3 kilometers towards shore after his boat capsized. The current was brutal, sharks were around, and the weather was bad. Even though he was a strong swimmer, he almost certainly died from exhaustion or cramps before reaching land. Ironically, the other two guys on the boat managed to flip it back over and reach shore safely. They searched for him immediately, but nothing was ever found.